And guys, this is one thing which is totally different compared to India and Nepal. Like you can see, I'm standing beside the road now, and you know there is no much noise of horn like India. For India, oh my gosh, it's just crazy. Like people love putting the horn, guys. Like so much of noise. Like it's really too much. It's not only for horn, but for me, it's so noisy. So this is Nepal, and you see people are driving. Even you can hear less horn. Sometimes you can't hear horn, and that's fine. That is not something bad. This is a proof that India is a really very big population, because we all know India is now the first populated country in the world, and Nepal for India is very, it's nothing like when it comes to population, right? Maybe because of population the horn, but it doesn't matter. Also sometime also I do see that Nepal used to get a lot of traffic jam, but still they ride without that much of horn. And this is what I see totally different, guys. So that's fine. In every country for sure you will find a lot of difference and sometimes the similarity in the hello from Africa. Yeah, you will see a lot of difference and similarity, guys. Yeah, so this is Nepal, and what I just love the most between these two countries, guys, because they are sharing border. Like India is so diverse, guys. India is so diverse, more diverse compared to Nepal, guys. But religion is something big for these two countries, guys. Like every little mile and distance I walk, I always find a small mini temple. I see this is like the Lord Ganesha, guys, the elephant lord inside there. This is what I see it so similar to these two countries. And for India, when it comes into religion, India is so diverse. Like there is a lot of religion, like in India, Hindu, Christianity, Islam, Sikhism, Buddhism. But in Nepal, like the most popular one are Hindu and Buddhism. Buddhism in Nepal are so huge, guys. And also see from there, yes, again here I found a little mini temple, guys.